Let me put my crown on before they think this the reincarnation of bald head slick. Ooh, that head shining. Must be doing good in life, boy. Look at them cuts. Now that's more like it. You know that bald head do something to him. Before I get started, shout out to all the new subscribers and shout out to all the people that follow me from Instagram and they leave comments in my DM and suggestions on what they want to see from the God as far as this content. And a lot of the G's think I neglected them, say, yo God, you put up a lot of videos about knowledge of self and spiritual and awakening type videos, but I think you forgot about us in regards to the beard videos. Well, I got one for you. It's short and sweet. You know what I'm saying? So come on and vibe with me.
Why they keep on calling my name?
Peace. It's the Bearded Heru and everything is real. Let's build. Oh man, let's chop it up for a minute with the true and living. Oh yeah, before we get started, go ahead and like and subscribe so you can come on and vibe with your guy. This topic is short and sweet, but yo man, look at that beard. Look at that lineup. Just got a fresh lineup, man, from my main barber, Big Willie at Flat Grooming down here where I'm at. Check it out, man. Look at that beard. Make your queen want to jump up in that thing, man. Check it out, though. But yeah, this topic short and sweet. A lot of G's always ask me, should I shave my beard all the way off and start over? My answer to that is emphatically now cipher. No, under no circumstances. Now, who you gonna listen to? You gonna listen to them or you gonna listen to the true and living? I knew you was intelligent and you gonna listen to the true and living. Now, from experience, I'm gonna put myself in your shoes. Should I cut my beard off and start over from my own experience? The answer is no, because I've done it twice. I got nothing out of it. I didn't see no difference. The only thing I saw different was the things that I made different. You know what I'm saying? So if I wanted my lineup to be high, what I did from the last time or when I first got it done all the way off, cut it all the way off, is I simply let the line naturally go as high as it could possibly go. You know what I'm saying? So I did that. When my line was low, that was because I was letting the barber or I was making my line, you know what I'm saying, low because I was cutting it low. Another thing, if you cut it off, will it grow in fuller or will it get longer? Now, I will say this, it's a difference between cutting your beard all the way off and giving yourself a healthy trim. Now, if you could tell for myself, I don't really like to do trims. I got all type of flyaways and this, that, and the third. So in theory, like a lot of people say, if you was to do a healthy trim, which I encourage at least once or twice a year if you're in the beard game like that, that's very, very healthy and it will make your beard come in more healthier. You know what I'm saying? But that's not cutting your beard all the way off. When you're doing the trim like mine, like I said, I got a lot of flyaways, may even be some split ends in there, man. But, I keep mine, mine is for a different reason. My beard goes along with my spiritual journey. So I ain't really cutting my beard off anyway, But like I was saying, back to the point, it's a difference between the trim and the cut. A trim is good and it's healthy for your beard, but cutting it all the way off to make you think that you're getting the effect of a brand new beard coming in, from my experience, don't do it. And you're gonna regret it. Hey man, every time, those 2 times I trim my beard, like I always tell people, my life was in shambles, man. So I keep all of mine. I ain't really cutting too much of nothing off of it, unless I really got to it. Like I said, probably twice a year I might do a little light trim. But for me, I need everything in my mind. Just look at it now, man. Let me comb it one more time since I've been playing in it, You know, I ain't got to tell you because you're looking at it, pimp. You know, but in my experience, and then through my journey, I really got nothing out of cutting my beard all the way off and starting over. And let me also say this. I know this may sound crazy, but when I cut my beard off, my confidence level, my self-confidence level was at an all-time low. You know what I'm saying? Cause I done had a beard so long, right? To where I'm just accustomed to looking at myself with a beard. And when I didn't have a beard, I just, you know, it just crushed me. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey man, I can't be walking through the world without that mane on my face, man. You know what I'm saying? It just felt like my world, just everything. I just started having all type of problems, man. All type of women problems, you know, all type of financial problems, self-confidence and everything. But once that thing got back together, you know, it was God's Cipher Divine Church. Yeah, man, I was looking just like a dang-a-lang, you know, just like most of y'all knuckle-dragging 85ers, you know what I'm saying, walk around here without no beard. But, you know, I am a universal scientist, right? But you gonna go and look at some of those other people's videos and I guarantee they got the science behind the hair follicles and, you know, trimming them and what happens when you trim your facial hair or whatever, or your head hair or whatever. Hey man, I ain't really got that. I got real life experience. And you know, to answer the question, should you trim your beard and start it all over? Like I said, emphatically, now Cypher, no. You know what I'm saying? Don't do that to yourself. But you know, shaving your beard, that's also, you know, depending on what you got going on in your life. Okay, so say for instance, like me, right? I'm not finna once your beard get, you know, a nice size length to it, I'm not finna shave my beard and start over and be playing them kind of games with myself. You know what I'm saying? It's no need, unless the fact that I already did it before and I know that it's really not a benefit to shave it all the way off, unless you got something going on up under there with your skin, or you know what I'm saying, some type of health issue, or you got a new job or something like that. It's no need for me to say it's gonna get longer or it's gonna grow in more thicker if I was to shave it all the way off. But like I said, it's a difference between a healthy trim and shaving it all the way off. Now, you know, player might open a new business or get a new job where, you know, he required not to have a beard as thick as this, you know what I'm saying? That's different, you know, that's shaving and that's going to your lifestyle, how you know what I'm saying, taking care of your business and your livelihood. But to get it to here, it's no benefit for me to shave it all the way off and start over, you know. But that's my opinion and those are my experiences. And you know, like I said, who you gonna believe? You gonna believe them or you gonna believe me? Oh man, but it's the Bearded Heru, and should you shave your beard and start it all over, you know, hey man, those are my experiences and that's the game that I'm passing on from my journey, you know. Yo, go check them other videos out. There's some cold pieces. Go ahead and like and subscribe so you can come on and vibe with your guy. This the Bearded Heru and everything. Hold up. Let me let y'all look at this beard one more time, though. While we talk about beards and they want me to give them some beard game. Check that beard out, man. Oh my God. But it's the Bearded Heru and everything is, one more time. Man, look at them workouts. Ooh. My brother used to tell me, man, probably about 10, 12 years ago, hey man, you getting all the knowledge and you absorbing everything. After you get finished with that dome, you got to come on to the body. You know what I'm saying? The past couple of years, man, ooh, everything been connected, man. The beard and the arms, you know what I'm talking about, and the game, you know. But it's the Bearded Heru and everything is real. Peace.
Why they keep on calling my name?